In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow contact sharing in Slack. So if you want to allow or to make available your contact information in Slack so that anyone can find and share, then let me show you how you can enable this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to do this, go ahead and click on this Slack workspace name here and then click on the drop down arrow and choose preferences. Alternatively, you can also go under your profile picture down here and then click on your profile picture and you should be able to see preferences. Now under preferences, go ahead on this sidebar menu and choose privacy and visibility. Under it, scroll down to this section called contact sharing. Now you can see under choose who's allowed to share your contact information. I've currently chosen to no one. However, I'd like to change this either to allow your contacts or only allow people in my workspace. In my case, I want to go ahead and allow only people in my workspace, so I'll choose this second option. If you choose the first option, allow your contacts, it means that this will include people from your workspace and any external people you are using Slack Connect to work with. So by choosing any of this, your contact information will be available for sharing. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.